Every tap, every like, every search is being recorded. Companies collect your personal data, your location, interest, even your habits. This is called data tracking, and it happens almost every day. But what if your data is misused? It can lead to identity theft, scams, or loss of privacy. Sometimes, you don't even know it's happening. In computer ethics, privacy is a right. Technology should protect users, not exploit them. Developers and companies must act responsibly. What can you do? Check up permissions, use strong passwords, think before you share online, because protecting your data starts with you. Use technology wisely, stay safe.